Welcome to Tutorial Academy YouTube channel. Let us start the lesson solving differential equations. Here is example for differential equations which contain dy over dt term, y term and t term. It is somewhat difficult to solve differential equations directly. So let's practice easy method to solve differential equations. The first method of solving differential equation is Laplace transformation. The definition of Laplace transformation is a function of t is defined between 0 and infinity, then we can define the integral transformation to be improper integral. Simply, Laplace transformation is conversion of function of t into function of s. Here there is a function of t, we should convert that function into function of s. So solving function of s values is very easy. That is why we do the conversion. You just need to do this conversion. After that, the differential equation, solving differential equation is very easy task. You should only remember this only. And this is the standard equation for Laplace transformation. You should remember this equation. You can directly use the equation when you are doing the Laplace transformation. Here you should substitute function of t, that is original function, and get the transform function from s values. That is the only thing you have to do. You have to practice this to convert a function into Laplace transformation. As well as you should remember two notations. This is the notation of Laplace transformation from function of t to function of s, and this is the inverse notation of Laplace transformation. This implies convert inversely function of s to function of t. I think now you have basic idea on Laplace transformation. You should practice to substitute ft value to right hand side of the equation and get fs values. So I will give exercise to practice those equations using definition of Laplace transformation. Show that followings. There are 5 questions and try to solve them. You can pause the video and try to get the answer by yourself if necessary. This is the answer for question number 1. You have to substitute the value of function of t to the equation and simplify it. You have to apply the definition of integrals and try to solve them. I think it won't difficult for you. So let's move on to the question number 2. Here is the answer for question number 2. When you are simplifying the equation, at here you may face a problem. This step is done due to L'Hopital rule. L'Hopital rule says that limit when we divide one function by another function is the same after we take the derivative of each function. This is the difficult thing, and other simplification can be done according to the definition of partial integral. So this is the answer for question number 3. This is also done according to the definition of integrals, and try to solve them yourself. Let's move on to the question number 4. This is the answer for it, and for our convenience of simplification, we substitute the question as I and keep doing the simplifications. As similar to the question number 4, question number 5, and you should do the same thing where you are simplifying the question number 5. Let's analyze additional information about Laplace transformations. So Laplace transformation of function of ft plus gt is equal to Separately, Laplace transformation of function of t by function of gt. Uh, as similar to other, and Laplace transformation of a times function of t is equals to 8 times Laplace transformation of ft. You have idea about these three. Finally, we have summarized the standard result for followings. Laplace transformation of 1 is equal to 1 upon s. Laplace transformation of t is equal to 1 upon s squared. Laplace transformation of t to the power n is equal to factorial n divided by s to the power n minus 1. Laplace transformation of e to the power 8 is equal to 1 upon s minus a. Laplace transformation of sin 8 is equal to a upon s squared plus a squared. Function of cos 8 is equal to s upon s squared plus a squared. You can use these results directly when you are solving problems. I will give some exercise number 2, and I will give answer for next video. Try to solve the equation by yourself. I am willing to teach all the theories on Laplace transformation on next videos. Stay tuned with our channel. Let's meet on next video. If you have any question which you learn, and use the comment section. Subscribe our Tutorial Academy YouTube channel to get soon access to next videos. Thanks for watching.